Hi, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be covering the progressive tenses, past, present, and future. So to start, we're going to need to know a couple of things here. We're going to need to know what a present participle is. So the present participle, right here, is the verb that ends in ing. So for example here, what I'm saying is if the verb is eat, the present participle is eating, sing is singing, dance is dancing, and so on and so forth. It's always the same for all verbs. So the progressive form, you make it by adding a form of the verb to be plus essentially the present participle, because that's what it is, the verb plus ing. The verb to be. The verb to be is, we commonly use it, was, were, am, is, are, all those verbs. And these are forms of the verb be or being. And it's like when you say, I am happy. Be describes a state of mind or a state around you. So if you say, I am happy, if you're in this state of happiness. So the verb am tells us that you're in the state of happiness and you are happy, content, and enjoying it. And that's what the be verb essentially does. But here, the be verb is going to tell us what action you are performing and when you did. So for example, here, I'm going to take past, and I'm going to take it with my regular verb, although that doesn't really matter here for now, but I'm going to take it with my regular verb, and it's search. So the past progressive form of search is was searching or were searching. And here I'm going to write was / were searching. So basically, this is past. So what you want to make sure when you do the past progressive is that whichever to be verb, the be verb you use, it is past, because that's what tells us that you were or she was searching in the past. That this searching is not going on right now, or it is not going to happen, but it already happened because they were doing it. So for example, if it was, I would say she was searching, as in the future. And with were, they were searching, as in they were doing it in the past. Sorry, in the past, not in the future. And here with the present, it is going to be is, are, or am, mostly, for most of the times, and then the verb. So for example, here it is, or are, or am searching. Is, are, or am searching. So for example, he is searching, and that means he's currently searching, looking for something right now. They are searching. I am searching. And then with the future, it goes to say that you will do this action sometime in the future. So for example, for the future progressive, actually, it's always will be, and then of course searching here as our verb. And this will be done in the future. Of course, you don't always have to use these specific verbs. So it could be he was dancing, I am singing, they will be performing, and all sorts of verbs. But it always must be the present participle, meaning it must end in ing, and the first part of the progressive tense must correspond with the original tense. Basically, if it's past, it has to be was or were, present has to be is, are, am, and future has to be will be. And now moving on to the regular verb, although it's almost basically the same in this case. But here it's going to be was or were, and I'm not going to write that, but was or were, and then it's going to be eating, because the verb is eat, and you add the ing. Here it's going to be is, are, am, eating. Or in here, of course, it's going to be will be eating. So what's amazing about the progressive tense is that here you treat all verbs the same, regular and irregular. For example, they're all just the same because they all have the ing suffix, so all treated as the same. So there's not a specific difference in the formulas for both. And this is the formula, just to be noted. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy.